What is EPS and how can you calculate it? EPS is earnings per share and something every investor should understand because it indicates how much profit they made for each share issued. For better understanding, the earnings per share is the company's profits minus the dividends they pay to shareholders over the average number of outstanding shares. For those who do not know, dividends are a piece of the company, usually from the profits that pay you based on your ownership. The outstanding shares are the total number of shares a company has, and these shares are bought mainly by big banks and businesses and is where investors purchase from. The outstanding shares may fluctuate over time, which is why taking the average gives the most accurate earnings per share. The higher the earnings per share a company has compared to previous earnings, the more willing investors are to buy more shares in that company due to the company's status of higher profits in that quarter or annual report. It is important to understand this only relates when deciding a company's valuation basing off of their previous earnings. This is why when earnings come out, beating estimates is a good sign for that company. And because other companies have a different number of outstanding shares, their earnings per share do not relate to one another. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more.